One of the things we troubleshoot often here at Haven Lighting is when a customer gets a new Wi-Fi system or changes their Wi-Fi password. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset everything without needing to rezone your lights or reschedule your events. First, you'll need to reset your transformer to factory settings. Here's how to do that. Remove the front panel and you'll see this button on the top right. All you have to do is hold this button down. After 4 seconds, the feedback and Wi-Fi lights will go off. Continue to hold the button for 10 seconds. Once the lights start flashing, stop pressing the button within 1 to 2 seconds. Factory reset is now complete. Now that you've restored your transformer to factory settings, you'll need to reconnect your system to Wi-Fi. Open the app and tap the menu at the top right, then tap Add Devices. In order to make sure you restore your previous settings, select the same location you used previously. Tap Next. Now you will need to go to the Wi-Fi settings of your device and connect to your controller's network. It should look something like this. Go back to the app and you'll see this check mark. This means you are ready to proceed. Tap Next and select your Wi-Fi network from this list. Put in your password if need be, now tap Register. Tap Done and you're all set up. So that's it. Your system is back online and you can now resume controlling it with your app. As always, for more information, visit us at havenlighting.com, subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.